Hey guys, this is a video introduction of using the verb to be ser with description words in Spanish. So first, let's go over what the verb to be looks like in English. So you use it all the time. You say I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. So you can use it to describe someone. For example, I am tall, you are short, he's intelligent, she's pretty, we're athletic. So we're going to use it the same way, but in Spanish. So what does that look like? It looks like this. Yo soy, which means I am. Tú eres is the you familiar, and we have discussed that before. Él es, he is. Ella es, which she is. Usted es is you are formal. Nosotros y nosotras somos, which means we are. Ellos and ellas, which means they are. And ustedes is you all are when you're talking to more than one person. As you can see, it's singular versus plural, and it's about the same conjugation as you have it in English. So how are you going to use this with description words? First, you need to know some description words for you to be able to do it. Let's go over some of those. And by the way, I put a note to this space for your translations, so write this down on your notes. So some description words that you can use, for example, is alto, bajo. So alto means tall, bajo means short. So an example sentence you can make is yo soy alto, I am tall. Or you say yo soy bajo, I am short, if you want to describe yourself, or somebody else. Now, as you can see, there's an A and parentheses next to each of these description words. So on those, the case is you have to switch the O to an A if you happen to be a female or you are describing a female. So for example, yo soy alta or yo soy baja. Other description words that we can use, for example, is feo for ugly, bonito for pretty, and then we have the same things where you have to switch the O to an A depending on who you're talking about in that description. So one more time, let's go over and see how you will build a sentence using the description words and the conjugations. You will need to use the pronoun, el pronombre, the conjugación del verbo ser, the conjugation of the verb to be, and a description word. And make sure it's kind of like a little puzzle that you're making. So for example, yo soy, which means I am, guapo, I am handsome. So he's talking about himself. We have Bill Gates here. So if we were describing Bill Gates, say, él es inteligente. What can you tell me about these basketball players? Can you come up with a sentence on your own using the correct description words and pronouns? You try it. Write them in your notes and then we can share it with the group. Thank you.